Did you know that some foods could secretly be sabotaging your belly fat loss? No matter how much you exercise, it might surprise you, but your diet plays a much bigger role in fat loss than most people realize. Belly fat isn't just about appearance, it's also linked to serious health risks like heart disease and diabetes. And what you eat can either speed up or slow down your progress. In this video, we'll reveal 10 foods you need to avoid if you want to lose belly fat faster. But don't worry, we won't leave you hanging. Stay tuned until the end, because we'll also share 5 powerful foods that can help you burn belly fat more effectively. Before making drastic changes to your diet, always consult a healthcare professional. Now, let's dive in. 1. Sugary beverages. Drinking sugary beverages can spike your blood sugar levels, causing your body to release insulin, a hormone that encourages fat storage, especially around the belly. One of the main culprits is high fructose corn syrup, which is primarily processed in the liver. Excessive intake forces the liver to convert fructose into fat, which is then stored in the abdominal area. Liquid calories from soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks don't make you feel full, leading to higher calorie consumption overall. Studies have linked excessive fructose intake to increased visceral fat, which raises the risk of diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Even seemingly healthy options like granola bars may contain hidden sugars, making them a sneaky contributor to belly fat. 2. Refined grains. Refined grains like white bread, white rice, and pastries lack fiber and essential nutrients due to processing. When consumed, they digest quickly, spiking blood sugar levels and triggering insulin release, leading to fat storage in the abdominal region. Additionally, because refined grains don't keep you full for long, they often lead to overeating. Foods with a high glycemic index can contribute to insulin resistance, making belly fat even harder to lose. Even so-called whole wheat bread often contains added sugars, which contribute to calorie overload and metabolic concerns. 3. Fried foods. Fried foods absorb large amounts of oil, making them calorie-dense. This excess calorie intake leads to fat accumulation, particularly around the belly. Many fried foods are also cooked in oils containing trans fats, which not only increase visceral fat storage, but also raise the risk of heart disease. Additionally, breaded coatings on fried foods contain refined carbs, which further spike blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of fried foods has been linked to insulin resistance and increased belly fat. One large study found that people who ate fried foods daily had double the risk of heart failure compared to those who ate them occasionally. 4. Alcohol. Alcohol can slow down fat metabolism since your body prioritizes processing alcohol over burning fat. This means the excess calories from your food are stored as fat, particularly around your belly. Many alcoholic drinks are high in empty calories. A standard beer has 155 calories, while a glass of wine has 125 calories. These calories add up quickly, especially when drinking in social settings. Alcohol also lowers inhibitions, leading to overeating and poor food choices. Furthermore, it disrupts sleep, and poor sleep has been linked to weight gain and increased abdominal fat. 5. Processed meats. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meats are high in saturated fats, which contribute to excess belly fat storage. They also contain high levels of sodium, which can cause water retention and bloating, making your stomach appear larger. Additionally, processed meats contain preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which may lead to insulin resistance and higher fat accumulation. Studies have found that consuming processed meats increases the risk of heart disease by 42%, largely due to their high sodium and unhealthy fat content. 6. High sugar cereals. Starting your day with a bowl of sugary cereal can cause blood sugar spikes and rapid insulin release, encouraging fat storage in the belly. These cereals lack fiber and protein, meaning they won't keep you full for long, often leading to overeating throughout the day. The high glycemic index of these cereals can also contribute to insulin resistance, making it even harder to lose belly fat. The World Health Organization recommends limiting added sugars to less than 10% of daily calories and even lower for better health benefits. 7. Baked goods. Pastries, cakes, and cookies are often made with refined carbs and added sugars, which lead to rapid blood sugar spikes and fat storage. Many baked goods also contain trans fats, which are linked to increased visceral fat accumulation and metabolic disorders. Excess sugar intake is a major contributor to weight gain and belly fat, as it promotes insulin resistance and inflammation, both of which encourage fat storage around the midsection. 8. Ice cream. Ice cream is loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats, making it one of the worst foods for belly fat. Since it lacks fiber and protein, it doesn't keep you full, leading to overeating and excessive calorie intake. Regularly consuming high-sugar foods like ice cream promotes fat accumulation in the belly and increases the risk of metabolic disorders. 9. Pizza. Pizza is often made with refined flour, which spikes blood sugar levels and increases insulin release, leading to belly fat storage. Toppings like cheese, pepperoni, and sausage are high in saturated fats, which can contribute to weight gain and increase visceral fat. 10. High-calorie coffee drinks. While black coffee is low in calories, specialty coffee drinks loaded with sugary syrups, whipped cream, and full-fat milk can skyrocket your calorie intake. The added sugars cause blood sugar spikes, leading to increased fat storage around the belly. 5 powerful foods that can help burn belly fat faster. Losing belly fat may feel like a challenge, but some foods can actually help by boosting metabolism, reducing inflammation, and keeping you full longer. Here are 5 of the best. 1. Avocados. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados help reduce visceral fat and keep you full for longer. Their fiber content helps prevent overeating, and their potassium levels help reduce bloating. 2. Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports muscle maintenance, metabolism, and gut health. A healthy gut helps prevent bloating and optimizes digestion, reducing fat accumulation. 3. Salmon. High in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance, which plays a crucial role in belly fat storage. The protein content also keeps you full longer, boosting fat loss. 4. Berries. Loaded with fiber and antioxidants, berries help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and fight inflammation, all essential for reducing belly fat. 5. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories but high in fiber, keeping you full and supporting digestion. They're also rich in magnesium, which helps regulate stress hormones like cortisol, a known contributor to belly fat. And there you have it, 10 foods to avoid and 5 foods to embrace if you're serious about losing belly fat. Want more weight loss tips? Check out our videos. What other foods do you think people should avoid? Let us know in the comments below.